Yo, what is up, and welcome back to another series of Feeling D's Travel Spree. Now, of course, y'all probably saying, where's D? D's not gonna make this one, but we do got another guest here. It's my brother Cody.
What's up, y'all?
We are headed to Galveston, Texas, because you know why? Because we going to the ship, eh? We going to the ship, what? Now, as I got a lot more surprise guests for you guys, because this is not just your typical guys trip. This is a bachelor party at sea. So we're getting ready to head to Galveston, Texas for a 4-night sailing on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Well, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you already subscribed, what's up, Spreezies? So make sure you stay tuned because this is a series that you do not want to miss. Yo, so we have just made it to the Royal Caribbean port in Galveston, Texas. Now, I know they've done a lot of work to this. The port looks just brand spanking new, looks clean. We're gonna get inside right now. It's about 11:40, but we're gonna get inside and see how long it takes us to go through check-in. Alright, so we are all checked in for the cruise now. Like, it literally took not even 10 minutes.
Super quick.
Yeah, if you come within your boarding time, like, all you gotta do is go through security, check in. If you take care of everything you need to do prior to getting here, like your health questionnaire and then uploading your passport, all that information, seamless process.
The lady even thanked us at the gate.
Yeah, she was
said that we took care of everything.
Yeah, she said thank you for making my life easier. But we finna get ready to board, and then we gonna have us a time. Y'all, we are on board the Adventure of the Seas.
We are here.
We are finally on board. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go complete the muster drill. Now, if you don't know, the process is a little bit different if you're used to sailing Carnival. So you complete a lot of that before you even get to the ship. There's 2 videos you gotta watch real quick, knock it out the way, and then you go check in at your muster station. And then after you've done that,
It's time to party.
it's time to cruise, baby.
Okay, so you guys already watched the video. So
Yeah.
you know where to go. I'm telling you where to come if there's an emergency. So this is deck 5, all the way forward, Imperial Lounge. You've already watched the video, so you know what the emergency signal sounds like. So now it's time to have fun. Enjoy your vacation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we have finished mustard. Mustard
It was quick.
took
man.
no time,
No
at
time
all.
at all.
If you watch the 2 little videos ahead of time, I'm telling you, scan your phone and you're done.
Lady walked up. She said, "Oh, y'all have already watched the videos. Well, you're good to go."
Yeah. So right now we're a little bit hungry. We didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Hungry.
So I mean, of course, you know, Royal don't have a guy's burger, but it is what it is. But we finna go tear down the Windjammer, and then it's up from here. All right, as we make our way to the Windjammer, there is one thing that we didn't tell y'all about. Like, the Adventure of the Seas, it is an older ship, but they got this thing clean to the T. Like,
Great.
it is like they really do a good job of taking care of this ship. And so I really see why Dee loves Royal Caribbean. So
I'd go wrong with Royal.
I know she mad at me. I know she's gonna be mad at y'all. If y'all been rocking with us for however long since the beginning, y'all know Dee loves Royal. But hey, Dee, love you. We miss you. And this cruise is in honor of you.
We got this. We hold it down for you.
We gonna hold it down for you, Dee. We made it to the Windjammer because your boys was hungry. Well, actually, we've been here a while, but regardless of say, we made it to the Windjammer. We're full, ready to explore the ship some more, but it does seem like this sailing is at 100% capacity. Like, this ship is full. And part of the reason is because the lovely ladies of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated are actually on board for their regional conference. Now, my brothers down in Phi Beta Sigma, hey, we need to put something like this in the works. I think this is a real good idea. But everywhere you look, lovely ladies are everywhere, decked out in their royal blue and antique gold. And D, you ain't got nothing to worry about because it's still on, baby.
And I'm gonna make sure he keeps it on.
You ain't got to worry about that. What's up, man? And we got the groom.
We're not gonna remember a thing by tomorrow. So. What's going on, Bill?
What's going on, man? You alright? What's up, man? This is my boy Rico.
What's going
this the
on?
groom right here. Now, me and Rico go back to what, high school, 10th grade? 10th grade. Then we went to Texas A&M together. And that's my boy's last fling before the ring. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, which one? For the fling or for the wedding? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm gonna say, well, right now it's time for the fling. So.
What's going on? Hey, if you haven't subscribed to this man yet, you do not know what you're missing. This man right here gives some of the best videos ever. You know what? I watch his videos all day, every day. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna make you sound like I'm crazy. Hey, yeah, subscribe to him.
Hey, man, appreciate it.
Gives pretty good information, videos, and yep.
Appreciate it, man. But we finna have a time. We finna turn this ship upside down, baby. So make sure you stay tuned. You don't want to miss.
Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's like right there.
Somewhere down there.
Right there, yeah. Right here, yeah.
All right, we are on our way to the rooms. As you see, it is very, very pink. Like I said, this is an older ship, but they do take care of it. All right, as you can see, they just have people's bags on one side of the hall. Now, I don't know if it's because we got here early or not, and they put the bags out, and they were going to bring the bags to the room later, but I've never seen this before. So, get my bag, and we're going to the room. All right, we have made it to our room with our luggage that we got off the side of the wall. 5929. You see the room key is already there. And yeah, have you ever seen that before? I think me and you have cruised Royal before.
Yeah, we have. Never seen that before. First time. So.
Yeah, that was weird. Anyway, let's go. What's up, boy? What's up, man? Hey, this is my boy Jimmy right here. First time. Hey, first time cruiser. This is actually one of my high school teammates right here. So we here to do the dang thing, bro. You ready? I'm ready, bro. All right, let's get it. I'm ready, bro. Hey, man, get out the room. Let's party, man.
I'm trying.
What's up, baby? Let's do it.
TV. That's live TV.
We live, baby. What's up,
live,
boy? What's up, Hot Road? Just linked up with the crew. Had to come back to the room for a quick shirt change, but everybody's excited for the cruise. We got a lot of first-time cruisers on here, so they're kind of in over their heads, don't know what to expect. But it's almost 4 o'clock. But you know we got to go up to the Lido for this sail-away party. Let's go.
Not that bad, but I think we can do it a bit better. Guys, for the next 4 days, there's no work, no school, no washing up. So let me ask you again, who is ready for a 4-day vacation? Much better. So hello and welcome on board the beautiful adventure of the sea. In the bar, come and join in. I know you know some of these moves. DJ, hit it, let's go. Here's the Cupid Shuffle.
Alright, so we are leaving the sail-away party, and then everybody's setting up the group chat. So the group chat on Royal Caribbean is free. So you and your roommate should already be paired, but if there's anybody else that you want to add, you just send them an invite, they can accept it, and then y'all can chat for free. Well, y'all boy crazy, man.
Hey, this motherfucker rock.
Hey, this is my boy High Road right here.
On that V Live, know what I'm talking about?
So High Road didn't know that you could split the beds. So you and Jimmy
Snuggled up.
got a king.
No.
Y'all got a king size bed.
snuggled up.
Oh, that's cute, man. Hey,
Hey man, hold up.
hey, y'all got a king size bed.
Separate.
He's snoring like a... I got my earmuffs and I got my covers. Because I already know he's going to be farting and he's going to be snoring like a... I already know.
Hey,
Last time I was in Galveston...
what you think them chucks smell like? Let's get down on this.
Oh, yeah. Maybe them spades. Maybe not the chunks.
What's up, y'all? Alright, we just got back from the sail-away party. Sail-away was a little different. Definitely not your typical carnival sail-away, but it was what it was. We had line dancing, you know, Cupid Shuffle, the wobble, stuff like that. There wasn't really no dance competition. The cruise director wasn't even out there, but they had the lady who was the lead of the activities. So she was out there getting everybody hyped and stuff like that. So we had a good amount of people dancing and stuff like that. But it was really laid back, almost reminded me of MSC, but yeah, it just wasn't the turn up. The turn up just wasn't there. But anyways, came here to get up off my feet, chill a little bit, and then we shall see what the evening has in store for us. Make sure you stay tuned. Alright, we are headed to the Duck and Dog Pub because it is March, so you know it's March Madness going on right now. So
Yes, sir.
before that, we got to go get a little bit to eat. We're going to pick up some pizza from Sorrento's, and then we're going to the sports bar.
Yeah, I'm about to pop a little Sorrento. You already know, though. Ain't no time for no playing around, though.
Where did you
We're gonna play around.
Nigga sound real cute, man.
Cody, you know the game that we playing?
Jimmy, you alright?
Good, brother.
Huh?
Good, brother. I'm hanging.
Alright, you barely holding on, ain't you?
Fifth deck, man. I'm bruh man from the fifth deck. Ain't no
For the fifth day.
Fourth day.
Damn.
Fourth day. Day 4. It's day 4.
No, this is day 1, brother.
It's day 4. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I need to go home.
You got a long way to go.
Yes, it's already day 4. I'm tired. It's been a long time.
You're tired already?
Yes, it's been a lot of fun, Ricardo. I want to make a toast.
Hey, man. Toast to my brother Rico, man. Much love to your brotherhood, fellowship, family long adventures.
There we go.
Blessing my
That's the
brother.
gammas.
To the bride.
Gammas.
To the bride, to the room. To the room. 209.
How does it go again?